I chose Avanti because of recommendations from colleagues who've gone on other courses as well as the LIP course, and basically said that was very hands-on, good theory, and that Rickon was a very good teacher. So that's why I chose it. I've actually done other facial aesthetic courses. I find that there's very confusing information on the internet. I think you should try and go through recommendations, try and speak directly to the trainer as well, because some of the courses that you go in that are advertised, you don't really get direct contact with the trainers. It's usually large companies. I sometimes find that they are not a very personal approach, and you haven't got any contact base after you finish the course that you can discuss any questions that you may have. So go through recommendations and investigate the trainer itself before you decide which course you go with. It was a good balance between theory and practical. We did good anatomy, embryology and complications before we started injecting, but we had several patients each to inject ourselves, going from initial medical history all the way through to the injection and post-operative advice. So it was like treating your own patients, which is very good. The advantages were small delegate classes, so we had 5 people in our course, as compared to the previous courses I've done where you had 12, 15. We had basically almost one-on-one training, and it was a small intimate environment where you could just ask questions rather than having to queue up to ask for advice. So that was definitely a benefit. Yes, I'm already looking at more advanced courses that I can do with Rickon already. Facial aesthetics is a good field to go into because it just gives another dimension to your field of practice. So most patients, like when you've got the trust of patients, would like to come back to you, and you can obviously offer them further treatments, not just within, for example, I'm a dentist, within just dentistry, but make sure that you choose a good trainer because confidence is key, and sometimes if you choose the wrong course you might not leave feeling confident enough to actually carry out the treatments. Rickon is very friendly, very approachable. He's had many years of experience, so he's got good tips and advice.